Yes, hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night, good whatever time it is when you're tuning into this. And thank you for tuning in and listening to me rant and listen to me talking, expressing my opinions. I appreciate your company. I appreciate you, and I hope you are in good health and everything is somewhat okay, somewhat good. As you know, the program is called, this their channel is called the Jamaican Society, where we talk about basically things what go on in our island and things what go on the ground, yeah, so. We dey on the ground, so we have to make sure we try to protect the ground. Protecting the ground is really hard though, because the ground kinda hard to protect, me not gonna lie to you. For real. So we're still on the topic of money, and so today now a friend of mine said to me, I wonder if my money safe in a bank. I want my bridging from over, so in the upper Uncle Sam place, so he might wonder what go on with the money down the yard, yeah, so. He might wonder if he money safe down here, so. Yeah. If you have a few shilling or not much, but whatever you have in these financial institutions down here, you might be wondering the same thing. You might be wondering if you fit draw out all of your money out of a financial institution that you invest your money in, or you put your money aside for when you get sick, or you any emergency or anything. People keep their money in a banks and financial institutions, and that's how that is. So the question is now, is it safe to do that? Is it safe to put your money in a one of them bank down there? It's a question that I see the Minister of Education, oh sorry, almost education. The Minister of Finance has said that we should still be confident in our financial institutions that we have here. So why, what makes me now gonna feel confident in our financial institution? Because him saying that, what assurance is he giving me? What assurance is he giving us? What assurance is he giving to the people like my brethren over abroad now? Because yeah, my brethren over abroad sound like him a get scared. Yeah, him a work hard in a Uncle Sam place, so he's a man who work hard, so him a try. He no plan to live up a foreign there forever. He wanna come home and he wanna put some little shillings away so that he have if he when he come back. So the question is this now. When the minister says you can be confident of our financial institutions, my question is just what make you say that? You know, what you saying that, how does that assure me that way you say I read something? You know what I mean? Me just you know, help me out in the comment section. What makes that statement make you feel confident? Because he said it. He said, feel confident. You don't need to worry. You don't need to go put your money under a mattress. You know, because there's some me a plan to put mine, but as me said before, you put it under there, so now you know say them all can't take it. It take a them all can't take it. A two type of thief we are deal with, you know. Two type of criminality we have going on here when it comes to money. Cause if a man now go chop you out of your account, you know, if one of them bank people or one of them bank teller or bank manager, or any one of them were working there, then we chop you out of your account. And if you put it under your bed, them all come. The other chopper will come. Where him different, him a physical thief chopper. He might come with his gun and he might chop it for under your mattress. So what you must do now, for those that have, you know, want to put one little money if you save up, you know. If you then pick me a bit, you know, you want to put something down for your pick me. You want to put something down for when any emergency happen. You know, so the question is, what you must do now? What you all do now? It's obviously that the criminality has gone in Jamaica so far that your money not really safe in a bank and it not safe in your house. They left us here now. I feel that we are left helpless. Helpless. If you want a gun to defend yourself, you want to get a license to carry a firearm. A biggest fight that you can get it for regular citizen get that to defend themselves. It's near impossible. It almost impossible. If you know impossible. Basically, for your ordinary Jamaican man or woman wanna defend himself. Because right now we're sitting like lame duck, as the Americans would say. We're like lame ducks. We can't defend ourselves. And those that are in charge to defend us now defend us. So what kind of predicament this we find ourselves in? This no good. This no good for we. This no good for our society. It's a very poor reflection. We don't have no defense. Poor people don't have no defense, you know. Everybody a scam and everybody a chop. Yeah, and who not chop in a certain way. Them a plain up, straight up, you call them thief and robber. Yes. So if you have your money under your mattress, then now you have to make sure so you don't tell nobody that they're sitting there. You can't tell nobody that. in the United States, your money is insured. If you have a certain amount of money in the institution, well, not even a certain amount. If you even have $1 in a bank, in those banks in the United States, and perhaps other countries too, your money is insured up to 500,000. Some is $500,000. Some is, it depends. What go on with us here? Don't you say? We need something like that. We money need to be insured. The citizens of this country now, their money need to be insured in the banks. In case you lose your money, and I know your fault make your money lose. The man them chop your money and gone with it. It should be insured in, and then now, majority of us would feel confident in our financial institution. We're not even confident, but you would sleep much better at night time if you know, say, boy, if you want them chop away a certain amount of money, you have up to 500,000 or whatever insured. Insured, so you know, say, you can't really lose that, because you have that insured and everything good. So maybe that's something that they should be looking into, insuring your money, like how Uncle Sam do it up there. If you even have $1 in there, if you have $1 in a them account up there, Uncle Sam insure it up to $500,000. Once you open the account, your money insured up to $500,000. Beyond that, well, you're there by your own. If you have more than 500,000, you're there by your own. So that's something I think needs to be looked at, because nothing else now go on. The chopper them just a chop, 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 chop. And I'll be a chopping a go on, and the chopping now go stop, you know. The chopping get intensified, you know. The chopping turn up, turn right up. So we need some kind of protection and some kind of assurance, not just the minister saying you're to be confident just because him said that. Now I'm gonna make you sleep good at night. Right? But anyway, that is my little say for today. Thank you for joining, and do me a favor, like the video and subscribe to the channel and all of that good stuff. If you like listening to what me I say. If you don't, then you don't. That's fine too. Alright, take care of yourself. Have a blessed day, a blessed night. Peace and love.